Hey guys, it's Tim with Tim's Tech with a new project. Got this off eBay for $25, $17 shipping and handling. It is the Acer Aspire 5315-2326. One I had when I was younger that I had to get rid of, that I didn't want to. Sold it to a friend, but I finally found another one. This one we're going to unbox it and give you a little overview of what needs to be done, what has on it, stuff like that. And we're going to clean it up because it's a good thing to do with secondhand laptops. Now, if you're going to sell on eBay, I'm going to say this. Please take care of the item and package it right. Like, as you see here, this is not really good packaging. It's all ripping, coming apart. This side is barely holding on, and it doesn't feel like there's any padding on it. So please take care of the items you're selling for the next person. But now I'm going to take my trusty knife in, see if I can get into this beast. Sorry for the wobbly video. Alright guys, I got the box off. What came with it was just the laptop. I have a universal charger I'm going to pull out and hook up to it. Or if I have another Acer charger. But this is nostalgia right here. I haven't seen it yet. This is my first reaction to it. So let's pull it out of the package. Oh, wow. Wow. Brings back memories. A few scratches, that's okay. I'll probably be buying a parts laptop for it. Wow. Look at that. The one I had before, my father gave it to me. But this one has a Windows Vista Basic sticker, but that's okay. I'm going to grab a little disinfectant wipe here. Put you down for a second. Memories flooding back, people. I'm going to do a quick wipe down. I've been looking for one of these for a little while. Sorry about the video. So that's good. Now let's have a look at it. It comes with a battery, which is good. Now on the ports, that power back here of little vent. Do a little bit of cleaning as I go. Clean up the bottom, the sides. We got internet. I believe that's the modem. We got the DVD drive, USB 2. The front really has nothing except the microphone, audio, speaker. You got your indicators, got PCI card. This one had an S video, 2 more USB. That is your internet, your Ethernet, VGA, Kensington. You get the bottom. It did come with a battery, which is good. It's the model right there. Brings back so many memories, people. And this one's supposed to come with a broken screen, which I'll fix later on. Hit the power button. Yep, it is what the ad said, and I'll put it up on the screen, which is okay. So I'm going to need to replace the screen here. And I'll get into a little more when I come back. But wow, it's memories right there. Nostalgia. We'll get to the overview of the hardware when I come back. I'll catch you in a little bit. Hey guys, we're back. Got my monitor set up and we're hooked up to the computer. Like I said, the screen needs to be replaced. Now let's power it on, see what happens. Hopefully it'll just show up. There we go. I hit start Windows normally. Looks like it's running Windows 7. Just what I thought. And I don't mind that. Because I like Windows 7. I don't know what it has on it. If it has personal info, I'm going to have to blur it out. Or seems like the trackpad's working. Auto adjust it. There it goes. Had to find the right button. It's running a little slow, but that's okay. Alright guys, we're back. I got the info up. It is running Windows 7 Ultimate. So it's pack 1. The Intel Core Duo 2.2 GHz T6600. That's more than what I thought it was. 2 gigabytes memory. It is genuine Windows. I did go through it. Looked like this person was a musician of some sort, which is pretty cool. 120 gigabyte hard drive. Which is pretty cool. There's not much on here, but it does work. Trackpad does not right now. I'm gonna have to figure that out, which is okay. Now what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm not sure yet. I might install Linux on it, use it for music presentation stuff, burning DVDs and all that. So I'll show you the screen here. That's why it needs to be replaced, is because only half of it shows, or a third of it shows. So I may buy a parts laptop for it. You can use that. But this is the this is what's on it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and tune in for the next one about this laptop.